How to generate and download a full backup of your DirectAdmin account. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now go to the Advanced Features section and click the Create Restore Backups icon. Through this Site Backup interface, you can select specific portions of your account to backup. Leave everything checked if you want everything in your account backed up. If you want the backup of a specific domain, click and select that domain you wish to back up. You can click to uncheck any box and exclude any particular portion. When ready, click the Create Backup button. It displays a message on the successful creation of the backup. You can directly read the success message here. If it does not show here, go back to the main page and scroll down to the Support and Help section. Click the Support Center icon and open the message. The backup is ready. Now let's go to the File Manager and download the backup to our computer. To download the backup, open the Backups folder and look for the downloaded backup file. Right-click the generated backup file and select the Download option. The download of the backup is complete. Thank you for watching.